Hi, my name is Larry Newman. I'm an Ithaca DWI attorney. We also handle other types of criminal defense. Today I'd like to talk to you about getting bad legal advice from an attorney. Now some people, they think, well, if a person's a licensed attorney, they're always going to give me good legal advice. But the truth is, sometimes attorneys speak about things that they shouldn't talk about. They go outside of their focus area, their area that they studied in, or the area that they have experience in, and they try to get into other areas. This is very common with lawyers that don't practice regularly within criminal defense or DWI defense. So there's three big errors that we see. The first big error of bad legal advice is when the attorney advises you to go discuss your case with the prosecutor, district attorney's office, or tells you to discuss your case with the police. Not a good idea to discuss your case with the police, not a good idea to discuss your case with the prosecutor, or write a letter to the prosecutor, or write a letter to the police. That is bad advice because anything you say, anything that you write can be used against you later on. So unless you're getting something back for giving up more information, you shouldn't be giving up information to the police or to the prosecutor. So that's bad legal advice number one. Number two is going and discussing your case with the judge. This is just as bad, if not worse, than going and discussing your case with the prosecution or the police. The judge is going to be the one that's going to do the sentencing and is going to hear your case. The judge can't hear from either side separately. The judge has to hear from both sides at the same time, the defense as well as the prosecution, and then make a decision based upon only the information that the judge has before them. So if you go talk to the judge and the judge now becomes a witness, I've seen this happen. The judge then becomes a witness in your case, and the judge now can be called by the prosecution to testify against you. I know it's crazy, but these things happen, and that's why you don't want to go discuss your case with the judge without discussing it first with an attorney. So that's bad legal advice number two. Bad legal advice number three takes the form of just going in and pleading guilty to something, like going in and pleading guilty to a DWI or a DWAI or anything else, because there could be what's called collateral consequences of pleading guilty to certain charges. DWs always have associated with them license consequences. You don't want to go plead guilty to anything without also knowing all the collateral consequences. Marijuana offenses have collateral consequences with student loans and federal grants or work study. So you don't want to just go in and plead guilty to anything without understanding all the things that potentially can happen because of going in and pleading guilty to charges, even as simple as a speeding ticket. Discuss that with somebody who's well-versed in traffic law, in DWI law, in criminal defense, because you don't want to take bad legal advice. If you have a question about a criminal defense matter in the upstate region, these are the types of cases that we handle. Either give us a call, shoot us an email, fill out the form on our website. Be more than happy to discuss it with you. And thanks for watching this video.